Hi guys, my name is Gevanka, but you can call me Gal. This is smiggle stuff from KL. I just bought them from KL, smiggle KL. This is my new water bottle. It's rainbow. The color is pinkish, I guess. This is peach, or maybe it's like a dark. I think it's light orange, and this is yellow, this is dark green, and this is light blue, and this one I guess is pink, like a pink to up like this one, and then it's like my new one from KL. I'll show it's just like KL, and I bought this. This is not a diary, but I'm sorry, it's the messy hair. And then look at her eyes, so beautiful, the horn. And you open it, there is like a lock. You can put some money, like a coin, or maybe like money. But if somebody wants to see it, you see there's a lock in there. There's the key inside. Inside there is two keys. You can use one of them. You can use this one or this one. It's in the plastic at the box. In here, yeah. This is new at the back. It's not broken, guys. It's not. It's just going like this. So you can put something else. But I closed. I mean, you cannot put something. And then this is my pencil case for my school. Look at this. If I press this button, this thing will go out. Oh my god, it closed. And then I almost forgot. If like this, there's a thing in here, and you can open it like so. Oh. And then this button down here, at this one over here. Press this button. Here, you can put some eraser in here, or maybe, I don't know, some eraser. And if you press this button, there's a calculator on it. And then if you want to turn it off, there's like O and FF. Put it here, it's off. And if you put this like no and C on it in here, this button, you can press this. It's working, and then off it again. And then you just close it like so. And if you put this button, it's mine here. It's like you can put some pencil on it, or you can do it like this. There's a tab in here, guys. Look, there's a tab on here, and then you just open it like so. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, yeah, like so. And there's full of stuff. And at the back of it, there's here too. And then you can open it again. Pretty cool, huh? And in here, there's your name and class. Again. Okay. So now this is my surprise egg. It's excellent surprise. See? And then this is pink, my favorite color, pink. And then it can be squishy, and then some jewelry, maybe some wallets. And then this one is my lunch bag. Now let me see inside. This is maybe for my snack. I'll open it for you to see. And there's the name and class again. Look at this, it's like so squishy. I love it. And then there's a weird thing, and it's, oh my god, it almost hit something. And then if you open it, there is some like this. You just need to take it out first. So yeah, that was like a dirty thing. And then this is this place, maybe for my lunch. You close it again. And finally, there's two things more at my back. And this one is my school bags for school. There is like, this is like Luna from the My Little Pony, right? And she's Moon, and from Smiggle, and it's my favorite color again. This is so cute, guys. And then beside me again, this is like like a backpack for going to the mall. And then you just open it, and here, oh, there's a tab on it. Oh my goodness! Put it like this. So, and then if you open it, to here there's like a thing, and then underneath, and you just open it. It's so good stuff, huh? Ooh, and don't forget there's like a zipper in here. And at the back, and then if you want to close it, there's a thing, and then like that. I guess put this is up again, and put it like so. Yeah. And at the back, there's some plastics, and you can put any decorations you want. I already put my favorite one. It's the light pink, and it's glittery like outside. And there's like a sponge and the flowers. It's so cute. And then let's open this plastic. Scissor! I need some scissor. Oh my god, it's quite hard. I need to find the plastic part. Be careful with scissors, guys. You know that thing. It's pretty dangerous. It's just a toy. It's okay if it's a toy, but it's sharp. You cannot touch it at all. Oh, that's that thing, plastic thing. Open it up with my finger. Oh, there it is. And then I'm gonna open it like so. How to open this? Oh, I just break it. I don't know. Break it up. Take this again. If you cannot do this, you need to ask your parents for help. Oh, I break it again. Again. I need to get through this off. Only the plastic. There we go. Put on. And here my scissor again to cut it again. Oh, it's so long. And that's the sound of my brother. I'm gonna broke the plastic again. I don't know why I break it all the time. Then I fell for it. Oh my god, it's stuck in my hand. So how am I gonna get across this thing? I just like pulling this up. What is that then? It sounds like they want to. Oh, I just need some scissors again. Oh, again? Are you kidding me? Number has some parent for the super part for the dangerous part because this is like so hard, guys, the plastic. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! I didn't know this one. How? I cannot do this part. we just continue it later. And this backpack is so cool, right, guys? Oh, I forgot. Where is it? Where? Oh my god. Down here, I think it's wrong. Wait. Oh my god. Oh, I found it. Oh my goodness, I need to look like this. Where is it? I got it. And this is my bracelet from Smiggle. Okay, I got this from the Smiggle. And it's so cute. I love the unicorn so much. You can look out. Look at the unicorn. And I love the colors. I love all the colors of the unicorn. This is all my favorite color except for the what is this? Oh yeah, dark blue. I only like the light blue, purple, and pink. Oh man. And it's so cool. And you also can, look at this. There's a thing in the unicorn. You can move it around of it. If you can, I can. You can move it around. Which place do you want? Like that. And let's open what first? Since we already opened this plastic. Take a bunch of here. Let's just open the plastic thing first. Let's go open the unicorn. One. And that sound, I think that's my grandma. That's my grandma. Oh my god, I lost it. There's a plastic on it and I can. Here, let's put the plastic. Let's put it inside of it. Now, let's open the surprise bag. This is the last one we're gonna open, guys. Oh, I found something in here. It's like, oh no, I didn't find it. I think what's in there? There's a lot of messing for. It's so sharp when you already cut it. Ask your parents for help. Oh, there we go. There we go. I'm gonna open it. See? The plastic. Oh, my favorite color is pink. Remember that, guys? Oh. It's opening. My favorite bag. Break. Oh, it break, guys. You see that part? See? It's breaking. Almost. Oh no. Oh dear. This now. Close it. Wow. Oh, I already opened it. But I'm not gonna tell you yet. Oh my god, it's always breaking. All the time. Whatever, just open it. Oh my god, it's so cute wallet. Oh my god, plastic. This is so cute, look at this. You can put some coins in here. And then there's like a little tab in here with the unicorn on it. I love unicorns. Oh, it's opening. Oh no, there's my name. See my name and then my name. I don't know what is this of this. My phone. Where? Put your phone. Right? It's so funny. And this is for your money place. This is so cute, right? So you can zip and then zip. Maybe this is for your card. Maybe, I don't know yet. Just close it again. Let's see what we have. We have a slime, maybe. I don't know. I don't get this thing. Scissor again. Ow, it's very hard, guys. Fluffy sand. It's a sand. I said scissor. Open this. It's so hard. I told you this part is dangerous. Oh, I get it out of it. I think. Yes, I break it again. Just keep breaking. Let's try some of the. Let's open it. There's a tab in here. See this thing? And you just open it like so. It's very floppy! It's very floppy, guys. It's very floppy. And what is this? Let's see, what is it? I don't know what is this, guys. What is this? What is this? It's like so soft. Oh my goodness. What is this? I don't know what is this, guys. It's like a gummy. It's like a gummy, but it's not a gummy, of course. It's a toy, of course. Here is a plastic bird. Oh, it's not a gummy. It's not a gummy. It's not a gummy. I don't know what is this, guy. I guess we just. Wait a minute. Oh, nothing. Okay, now let's put the other one. We have like 3 more. Oh, 2 more. Oh, 3 more, I guess. This is like the best squishy ever. My God, I can never have this squishy because it's like this is the unicorn. Look at it. He have light blue hair and then a pink horn, a pink blush with a heart on it, and the feet is like the pink again. It's just like light pink, so cute, and then it's squishy. Remember, squishy, and then another bracelet. But this one, I know. I already think what I'm thinking. See, there's like this thing, like this one. You can let the unicorn out and then put it at here too, guys. It's cute, right? You can put that all of them. And last, there's the chain. There's a chain. It's perfect for my bag, is it? Look at it, it's so cute. It's matching. And then it's so cute. I think the pink horn, a pink ear, and then a pink love again, and a love and a heart in here. So cute. Look at this, it's so cute. Put it right there. And last, and this is my chain. It's a unicorn too. And then if you smell this, it smells good. There's a lot of them. There's G. My name is G. My name is Gevanka or Gail. It can be G, right? It's cool. And then I gotta open this plastic and that's all my stuff. Thank you for watching my video. Remember to subscribe my below.